Now let's see how you can draw this USB logo in AutoCAD. For that, I will start from this point and I will use this as a benchmark. So let me draw a line of 60 unit first, like this, and then press enter. Now what I have to do is again from this point to this point the distance is 15. So I'm going to draw a line maybe here which is 15, press enter, and then in this direction the distance is 16 and the angle is 45. So in this direction distance is 16, press tab, this is 45, and then press enter. Now in this direction the length is 10, so 10, enter. After that press enter. Now again I will start from here, so again I will use line, press enter, and from this point to this point the distance is 10, enter, and this again this length is 16, tab, and this angle is 45, and then press enter. Let me draw it one more time. So maybe I will set the angle first, press tab key, and this is 16, press enter. Now this is 10, press enter, and then press enter. Now I will add the geometry here. So here we have circle, so let's add the circle. Click here and the radius is 5, enter. Here also we have the circle of radius 3, and here we have a square, so let's draw it. 5, tab, 5, press enter. Now select this one. Now I'm going to move this one like this. Now I will select this and create a copy of this and move it here just like this. Now I will press escape. Now what I will do is I will create a triangle here with the help of line. So L, enter, click here, then here, and then here, and then press escape. Now I will trim the extra parts. Now let's add offset. So you can see the offset value is 0.6. The half of 1.2 will be 0.6. So let me press escape and let's add an offset. And I'll select this line, this line, before that I would like to overkill the things so that we have lots of overlapping as well. So let me undo this and I'm going to select all of these, and after that I will type overkill. Press enter and delete the duplicate object. Yes, simply click on OK. Now we don't have any kind of duplicate object here. Now let's create offset of 0.6. Press enter, then click here, and here, and then here. Now we don't need the center lines, so basically you can select these center lines from here and delete it. Now you can see we are only left with these, so you can just simply trim this part so that when we use the fillet it won't we will not interfere with that. So you can just simply use this one in order to fix that issue. So maybe you can just simply trim this one as well. Now what you have to do is we have to add the fillet radius of 5 units. So let's add that. Let's set the radius to 5 and then press enter. Now let's add the fillet radius. Press enter, or maybe you can just simply go with multiple. Click here and here. And then we have one more here. And then here. Now let's trim the extra geometry from here. So let me just simply use the trim. So I'll trim this part and maybe I will trim this part. You can see that if I'm trying to trim this, the whole circle is getting trimmed. Because if you just simply zoom in this region, you will see we have a gap. So we have to fix this. So we can use the extend. You can click on this one and then this one. And now you can press the shift key in order to convert this extend into trim. So you can press shift and you can just simply trim it. Now if you zoom into this region, you will see that we have same issue. So first of all, let's simply extend this and then press shift and then remove this part. Now let's press shift and remove this part and then this part. So this is our final drawing.